Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to share a printer from Windows 11 to Windows 10. First install printer, click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Click Printers and Scanners, click Add Device. Click Add Manually, check Add a local printer, use, and existing port, select printer manufacturer name, select model. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Devices and Printers. Right-click Install Local Printer, click Printer Properties. Click Sharing tab, check Share this printer. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Connected Network, click Details. Find your system IP address. Right-click Start button, click Run, type / IP address. Right-click Connect. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.